Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to utilize the AWS Key Management Service in order to learn how to create a symmetric CMK using our console. So first off, we should log into the management console and then we go to the KMS console right over here. Now, in order to change your selected region, which in our case is Virginia, we will have to click on this section over here for the regions. We click it and we select the region of our choice. After doing this, we go straight to the navigation pane and we click on Customer Managed Keys. This will take us to the table of available customer managed keys. And as you can see, we've got none yet. So we go ahead and click on Create Key to create our very first customer management key. So as we can see, we've got two types of keys, symmetric and asymmetric. And the whole topic of our tutorial is about symmetric CMKs. So we click on symmetric. Now, after choosing symmetric, we click on the button Next. Now we will need to enter a particular alias for CMK, but we should know that the name of the alias should not start with the prefix AWS/ because it's originally reserved by AWS for the sake of representing AWS managed CMKs in our account. So guys, first off, you'll need to know what is an alias in order to know how to name it and give it a description. It represents a display name which may be utilized for the sake of specifying the CMK, and it's recommended for you to select an alias which specifies which kind of a data is to be protected or which app is to be used with the CMK that we're creating. It's necessary upon creating a CMK to get an alias because using the management console, we will be able to use it as an optional way to utilize the operation of create key. So now let's go ahead and fill in the name of the alias. Let's go with tutorial. And for the description, we go ahead and type a specific description for our CMK, which describes which kind of data is to be protected or which app we will be utilizing with the CMK. We should take and keep in mind that we do not you need to utilize the description format, which was originally intended to be utilized for managed CMKs. So as a description, let's try with test. Now we go to the optional place, which is the tags. We can go ahead and add a tag key and a tag value in order to identify our CMKs in an easy way. After finishing adding the tags of our choice, if we'd like to add more tags, we click on Add Tag. We can add up to 50 tags of our choice. After finishing here, we click on Next. And now we should choose which IAM users and which roles we'd like to grant permissions to administrator the CMK. So as we can see for key administrators, we go ahead and click on the names of the accounts that we'd like to give them access for it. For example, let's give Kit. For the key deletion, we can either keep it as checked to allow key administrators to delete this key, or if we do not like to give them this option, we simply untick it. After finishing here, we go ahead and click on Next. Now we should choose the users and the IAM users that are given the ability to utilize the CMK for cryptographic operations. So we should define key usage permissions. We select the IAM users that are given the cryptographic operations as we said before. Let's choose Gurgulaiden. Now, if you'd like to add more accounts or a new account which is not specified in the above list, you go ahead and click on this button right over here, which says Add another AWS account. If you're done with this step, you go ahead and click on the Next button. Now we go to the review page. From here, we should go over all the settings that we have written. As we can see, they are written in code and we show each section splitted and all the information and data selected here. So if everything seems right and exactly as you need, we click on the option Finish and we create the CMK. Or if we'd like to go back and change something, we click on Previous. In case we have changed our mind and no longer need this CMK, we click on cancel. So that's it, guys, and congratulations on your very first CMK, which is symmetric. And